25.
Hey, sir. Magandang po. Sir, various labor groups and business groups expressed their disappointment for slow progress of our fight against corruption. How satisfied are you with the performance of the ICI? And do you think we need the Independent People's Commission under the Senate Bill 1215 proposed by, I think it was Senator Tito Soto?
All right. We have to remind people that we have now moved from the political arena to the legal one. And the legal arena has very strictly defined procedures. I get messages all day, every day. Kulong mo na yan. Alam naman natin kung sino sila. Kulong mo na. Kunin mo lahat ng pera nila. Pagbenta mo na yung mga bahay nila, balik sa ano. What would then I be accused of if I was included that? Second, if basta-basta lang tayo nag-book na sasabi, hindi maganda ito. Basta kasuhan mo na. Ito nanalo. Kung ma-acquit. Dahil hindi maganda ang pagkahanda ng kaso. Technicality. Nagka-technicality. Can you imagine? These people who have stolen billions from the government and from the people, nakawala dahil hindi maganda ang pagka-handle ng ebidensya. That would be much worse result. So, due process must be observed. We must make sure na alam naman talaga natin kung sino sila. Kaya tiyakin natin na makukulong talaga sila. At ang kanilang mga ninakaw ay ibalik sa gobyerno, ibalik sa tao. But just be yung nagmamadali, yung hindi maaari yan, hindi delikado tayo. Kaya natin sabihin ko sa pulis, nakipin nyo na yan. Basta ikulong nyo, bahala na. Anong mangyayari nun? Sira yung kaso natin, and you cannot charge them again. There is the principle of double jeopardy in the law. So, what is more important? That we just file cases as a singular. Remember, nobody has gone to court yet. There's no conviction yet. And the court, what is the process? Pagka binigyan yung may complainant sa ombudsman, sa DOJ, may preliminary investigation pa. Magbubuo ng investigasyon. Kailangan matibay-tibay yung ebidensya. Kasi kung hindi matibay yung ebidensya, makakawala yung ma-acquit yun. Kaya tiyakin natin na matibay yung ebidensya. Hindi madaling gawin yun. Dahil yung iba, yung mga witness, yung ating mga resource person, hindi nagsasabi ng totoo, may mga tinatago, etc. etc. Kailangan ma-extract yun sa kanila yung informasyon na yun para gawing ebidensya, para madala sa kung saan man, sa sandigan, sa ombudsman, ito na yung kaso. At malalaman natin na tiyak na makita natin na yung talagang alam natin na gumawa ng kategoryan, nakaw talaga sa gobyerno, ay magbabayad. And magbabayad, they will pay for it with their liberty, and they will pay for it with treasure that they have taken away from the Lord. I think it's more important that we get one chance at this. Isa lang ang chance natin. We cannot waste that opportunity to bring justice to those people, to bring those people to justice, and to bring justice to the Filipino people. So, do you want to get it done quickly, or do you want to get it done right? That's the choice that we have. So, I understand the frustration because we do have a very good idea of who these people are. But you have to take them to court. You have to present evidence. They have to be convicted. And as I'm sure anyone who has been involved in any kind of legal proceeding, we are all very frustrated, especially non-lawyers, are very frustrated by how long it takes. Ang sagot naman ng mga abogado sa atin is that may kasabihan sa kanila, the law grinds very slowly, but it grinds very well. So we're counting that.
So just a quick follow-up. What do you think of the plans of ICI to live
Justice grinds slowly, but they grind very well.
So what do you think of the plan of ICI to live stream their investigation? How will it affect the credibility of the process?
I don't think it has an effect on the credibility of the process. I think it's a practical matter, really, because if the problem that the ICI has right now when it comes to the issue of live streaming and other issues is hindi pa nabubuo yung kanilang rules. So they still have to finalize those so that we have a clear understanding of what is the best way to proceed. Will live streaming help? Will it not? So we just have to wait for the ICI to make that decision for themselves. I have an opinion, of course, but talagang ang gusto kong makita ng tao, hindi ako nakikialam, ang the executive, the government, hindi nakikialam dyan. We provide them a budget and we allow them to run everything the way they want, hire the people that they want, and yung mga substantial matters ay nasa sa kanila yan. Kaya talagang nilirespeto namin yung unang ay independent Commission on Infrastructure. Let us make sure we are making sure that they are truly independent. So those decisions have to be made.